Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Anokuru. I'm a front-end developer and developer advocate, and today we're going to be diving into the world of online payments with Monnify. Monnify is a payment gateway by MoneyPoint for businesses. It offers businesses in Nigeria a way to accept payment from customers through their web or mobile application, and this is where developers come in. Monnify provides a web SDK for integrating the gateway into your web applications. They have the mobile SDK for integrating the payments gateway into your mobile applications. There's also the API reference to use. So let's dive right into integrating Monnify. To use Monnify, you have to first create an account, put in your details and create, but I'm going to log in because I already have an account. Now, after logging in, you'll see the dashboard where you'll have to input all of your business details. And then you can also see all of your transactions. I'm currently in the test mode, so the wallet balance is not real. Now that we've created our account, let's go ahead and integrate Monnify into our application. So we'd create an on-click function, would initialize the Monnify SDK, then after would add the amount, then would add our preferred currency, then would add the reference using the date object. This is so that every time a different string is generated. Then would add the customer's full name and the customer's email. Now, in a real world scenario, we would probably have like a form or a registration form from which we would, draw all of the details from. But for now, I'm just going to put anything in there. Then we would also add our API key, and you can find your API key on the dashboard. Let's go into there. When you go into your dashboard, you go to developer, you'd see your API keys and contract code, which you're also going to need. So now you add your contract code, then you add your payment description, what the payment is for, then you add I set the test mode, yes. I set mine to true because I don't have a business initialized and I'm still using test mode. After that, you would set your on complete function. This is what you want to happen when the transaction is completed. Then after that, you'd set your on close function. This is what you want to happen when you close the payment modal. And that's it. You call set Monnify and we are done. Also, we'll need to add the Monnify JavaScript file to the head of our code. So let's go ahead and test the Monnify payment gateway. Now, this is the UI for the Monnify payment gateway. It's very user-friendly. You could pay with your cards, input your card details. You could also pay with USSD code. You select your bank and, go ahead and pay. You could also pay with your phone number. Put in your phone number and, continue. You could pay with transfer to the client's account number. So now let's simulate a successful payment. And that is it. Payment approved. It is that easy and seamless to use. So you could go through the Monnify documentation. They have demos, tutorials. There's also the Slack community channel that you could join. There's a lot you could use Monnify for. You could use it to make recurring payments. You could use it to pay salaries. So going through the documentation, you would see a lot more that you can use Monnify for. There's also a code snippet of how you can integrate it into your website. You could just copy and paste, or you could go through their API reference, if you want to make use of API calls instead, and you'd see the structure of their API and how you can go about making API calls. And so that's it, basically. We've come to the end of this section. Thank you all for watching. If you want me to make an in-depth tutorial on how to use the Monnify payment gateway, please let me know in the comment section. And if you would also be making use of the Monnify payment gateway, let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.